my goodness, who do we have here today?
I'm Jake.
And
Kylie.
what are we doing today, guys?
We're going skydiving for the first time.
Jumping out of the airplane with total strangers, huh?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
You trust me to throw you out?
Kinda.
You trust Lee to throw you out?
Yeah, I do.
You're crazy. Whose idea was this?
This was my idea.
Yeah.
They always want to blame the
Actually, it
man,
was
but this
your
time
idea.
it's
It was
our
your
fault.
idea.
See, he wants to blame her now, so both your guys' fault if this goes wrong. Any last words, final comments, confessions?
No, I'm excited.
I'm looking forward to it.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock the sky to have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh, yeah. You ready to get in, get up, get out of this bird, go have some fun in the sky?
I'm ready for it.
You?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You guys are crazy. Let's have some fun. Here we go. High five. High five. Here we go. Think of that, dude.
That was sick.
Pretty fun, huh?
I'm doing it again.
Yeah. Pull that right one all the way down. All the way down. Look at the camera, smile. Woo! Woo! Pull up one all the way down. I'm not gonna help you this time. All the way down. Hold it. All the way around. Nice. Woo! You having fun?
Yeah.
You wanna do another one? Yeah, let's go ahead. Either direction. Whichever way you wanna go. Yeah. All right, dude, we made it back. What do you think?
That was sick.
You gonna do that again someday?
I'm doing it again. That was
Yeah?
better than I was hoping for.
Next time you come out, you can play with the balls and open the parachute, okay? Just gotta
Okay.
find the golf ball and pull it out.
All right, sick.
Out of Colorado Springs. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks, dude.
Woo! Good job.